Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cato Network SASE step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the necessary prerequisites for the Cato Network SASE installation. Ensure you have access to your Cato Networks account and relevant credentials. Log into your Cato Networks dashboard. Navigate to the configuration section in the dashboard menu. Select sites to begin configuring your locations. Click on Add Site to create a new site profile. Fill in the required fields, including site name and address. Choose the appropriate site type based on your network architecture. Click Save to create the site profile. Next, proceed to configure users by returning to the main dashboard. Select Users from the menu options. Click on Add User to input user details. Enter the user's email and assign a role according to their responsibilities. Click Save to finalize the user configuration. Now, set up policy controls by choosing the Policies section from the dashboard. Click on Add Policy to create a new access policy. Define the policy scope, including applications and users. Set the desired access rules and parameters. Click Save to activate your new policy. Next, integrate with existing network infrastructure. Navigate to the Integrations menu. Select VPN if applicable. Follow the instructions to configure VPN settings. Ensure you test the integration for proper connectivity. Once all configurations are complete, click on the dashboard to review your settings. Verify that all elements are correctly set up and operational. Finally, monitor the network performance to ensure everything runs smoothly. You're all set to enjoy the benefits of Cato Network SASE in your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.